let's move on to the next technique. This technique is going to be like a splatter. So we've already got colour on here, it's dry, and now we're going to splatter it. So you need a brush that's quite hard, like an acrylic brush. Wet it, and you could use something like gouache, maybe. Just put it here. And let's see what we can do with the splatter technique. Yes, you can see. Has gone to the other side. Let's do here. And you could use this for a night sky, for just to add extra, like a effect in your background paintings. Yeah, so let this dry and see what we can do with it. Maybe we can put a, you know, like a starry night or something like that, or a galaxy or something. Okay, see you in a bit once it's dried. So we have the starry night galaxy style. So let's just put some dark, let's do a tree or something, you know. Sorry, it's not the best. It's just a tree. Just to show you the oh yeah, so that looks really nice against the backdrop of a starry kind of night. Maybe we can do like a moon as well. Sorry, my drawing at the moment is a bit like a child, but yeah, it's just to show you the example. And yeah, and you could even add some darker spots of into some grass. So what you could do, you could add some, we've got the starry galaxy sky behind, but you could also add some darker bits to it as well. Yeah, so that's the splatter effect with the white gouache, and like I said, you can use it for a sky or some other background effect in a different colour, but yeah, normally it's used with gouache, white gouache. Okay, so that's another tip done for you.